Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and look who's back here with us, Richard. Now, Richard is retired United States Marine Corps, and Richard came into us, what was that, about 2 years ago?
About 2 years ago.
And he had already had a cervical spine fusion with instrumentation at what, C4 or 5, wasn't it?
Yes.
And then
5'6".
5'6", yeah. And then also, they wanted to do surgery on his lumbar spine at the time. And we did his very first video, I think it's titled Must See, USMC veteran,
Something like that.
getting adjusted after surgery, something like that. But anyway, Richard's one of your most popular people that you watched on our YouTube video. We are now working with some major people in the scientific community to get research done on veterans specifically. So we encourage the VA as well as other higher learning institutions like Harvard, Yale, Duke University, Palmer College of Chiropractic, Parker, Life West to get involved with this research study, because these guys deserve the very best of what America has to offer as far as I'm concerned. And Richard, why don't you tell them your personal experience of getting care here at this office and getting the Johnson technique done versus all the other stuff that you did before you saw me.
I was one fouled up individual when I first came in here. I was damn near bedridden, I can tell you the truth. Get up from the chair long enough to go make it to the bathroom and back, now is about as long as I could be on my feet.
Mm-hmm.
You did the ring dingers and the knee chest, and I left out of here wanting to go find a beer joint and get in a bar fight. I haven't done that good in 20 years.
Yeah.
And I'm back to work.
Yeah. You're back to doing what you love doing, right?
And if it wasn't for you, I'd still be laying on the couch, probably popping pain pills and having back surgeries done.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
If you can get down here, folks, this is the guy to see.
Well, we love taking care of veterans. We treat a whole lot of veterans from every part of the service: Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and Army. So if you want to get a referral here to Advanced Chiropractic Relief, you have to go through Tri-West to get that referral. And you didn't have any problem getting in with them?
Well,
after we worked with them for a little bit.
Yeah, they said that they had you down as a gynecologist. So
yeah. That's only on the weekends.
Freelance. Got it.
Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And that's only with Renee. I better throw that in there. So Richard, he's been gone now for a couple months, so he's got a little bit of forward head posture and right translation, but your pelvis is right down the gut. That's looking good, Richard. So the very first adjustment I do on Richard when he comes back in, he hasn't had any accidents or injuries, so we're going to put him on the knee chest table first. Knees down there for me. You got, the drill. Yeah, just kind of let this sink and relax. There it is, right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're going to bring him over here and strap him into the neural decompression technique, which I have lovingly named the ring dinger. It's easier to remember ring dinger than it is manual neural decompression. But, it's for those of you who are always wondering, can you adjust patient with hardware in their spine? The answer to that is absolutely, if that hardware has been in there for a period of time where it's healed and is totally fusing one segment to the other. Yes, sir.
Oh, man, that's
good.
Yes,
sir.
Oh.
That's almost as good as going to a bar and getting in a fight, huh?
Almost, Doc.
Uh-huh. Yes, sir. There you go.
Man.
That's just like it was the first time, huh? Loud as...
Wow.
That's why
people just don't understand how good that feels getting loosened up like that.
Yeah. All right. You're right. Okay, there we go. Right on your tummy, please. We're doing these special videos on Wednesdays on people like you, Richard, and we're going to dedicate these as our Palmer Day, Palmer Proud Day, because I learned most of my adjusting techniques from Palmer College of Chiropractic in Davenport, Iowa. That's where Tristan's at right now. That's where Jeremy's gonna be going in March. So I'm adjusting his SI joints in his sacrum now. Now I'm on L5, which they wanted to do surgery on. Richard was also featured in a article that was published about us. About last year, was it? 12 months ago?
I think so, something like that.
Yep, here we go. You have any pain there at all, Richard?
Negative.
Good.
All good.
Okay. So I'm still going to be working on his cervical curve. That's C3-4. There's C5-6. And now I'm down on T1. There you go. Good. Now let's turn you on your back, please, sir. Oh. That's it. Good. Okay, now let's have you put your arm. You riding your bike today?
Nope. Bought the wife a new vehicle, so I'm riding.
Oh, well, there you go. Air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
Yeah, riding a hot Harley on today would be hot out there. I remember riding mine through the Mojave Desert, and there was a big traffic jam coming out of LA to get across. And we sat there for about half an hour and didn't go anywhere, and those pipes started burning my thighs. Oh, because I had big old headers put on my custom Harley I had made for me out there, and boy, they got hot in a hurry. I had to just shut it down.
I understand.
There you go.
Doc, I want to clarify one thing. You said I was retired Marine. I only did 12 years active duty.
Okay.
So I'm not retired out of the Marine Corps. I did 22 years with the state of Texas, but
Oh, okay.
I only did 12 years active. So I don't
Well,
want people.
you're still active.
Yeah. Well.
We don't even need to talk about how you're active, but
well,
you're
We
active.
don't need to talk about what I'm doing in now, but
Yeah.
I don't want no
Back.
stolen valor claims or none of that
Yeah,
stuff.
no doubt. Okay, let's have you flex forward. I didn't mean to disrespect you in any way.
No.
There we go. I'm adjusting his atlas now on the x-axis, which sends neurological information into his cerebellum, coordinating his cerebellum with the rest of his body's kinesthetic movement. Okay, try that again now, Richard. Should be on a swivel.
Oh man.
Very nice.
And I know he uses a bunch of $20 words, but what he does works, folks. So I don't understand all the stuff he says. All I know is I can move.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Feels good.
All right, well, thank you for doing that for us, Richard.
You're welcome, Doc.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief with Richard, who is not retired from the military. We'll see y'all next time.